Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to open a business bank account in Estwani. So let us start it. So here I will directly go to google.com and here I will directly search for top business bank in Estwani. Okay, so here we can see, so the first bank is Estwani bank, then we have our net bank Estwani, then we have Standard Bank of Estwani and some other banks. So in this video I'm going to show how to open a business bank account in your Estwani bank. So here we'll go to the website. Okay, so here we can see, so to open a business bank account you will click on product. Okay, so they have the product, so I will directly go to the business banking. Okay, so here we can see the business banking. So to open a business account you have to go to the nearest branch, so you can directly see their address also and their phone number also. So you can just call and you can just get their number and from there you can do it. So if you see here, they have benefit like they provide the business loans and they carters of the group schemes and their email also here. And for the application for this product you can directly click on like write your name here, your email address, your contact number, and like a plan on. They will call you and you can open it. This is how we can just do it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.